Once upon a time in the magical world of sweets, Willy Wonka, the eccentric candy maker, decided to embark on the most delicious adventure ever imagined. Willy, with his bright purple coat flapping in the wind, announced to his factory workers, "Today, we shall venture beyond chocolate bars and lollipops. We are building a candy rocket to explore the Marshmallow Moon." In the heart of Wonka's factory, a team of devoted Oompa Loompa worked tirelessly to construct the candy rocket. It was no ordinary spacecraft. It was a marvelous confectionery creation with a crunchy caramel cockpit, licorice landing gear, and delightful peppermint propellers. When the rocket was finally complete, Willy invited young Charlie Bucket and a handful of his friends to join the sugary voyage. "Pack your bags, my young adventurers. Harvest some marshmallow fluff and gather sweet memories," he said with a twinkling grin. On the day of the launch, the factory was abuzz with excitement. The candy rocket, shimmering under the sunny sky, was ready for takeoff. With a hearty bon voyage from the Oompa Loompa, the rocket zoomed off into the sky, leaving a trail of shimmering sugar dust. The Marshmallow Moon was a sight to behold. Its surface was soft and fluffy, like stepping on a sweet cloud. Willy and the children gazed at the chocolate rivers that weaved through the landscape and squealed with joy upon spotting wild gummy bears playfully bouncing by the lollipop trees. But little did they know, their adventure was being watched by a sneaky competitor. The sly Snipp Snagglesnarl, a rival candy maker with a taste for greed, had followed them in a rocket built from bitter dark chocolate. Snipp's plan was to claim the moon's sweets for himself and leave nothing but crumbs for Willy and his team. Fortunately, Charlie, with his keen sense of adventure, spotted Snipp lurking behind a marshmallow crater. "Mr. Wonka, look! It's Snipp Snagglesnarl, and he's plotting to steal all the sweets," exclaimed Charlie, pointing to the schemer. Willy Wonka, with his whimsical wisdom, gathered the group. "Fear not, for teamwork and creativity can outshine the darkest chocolate," he declared. With a plan in place, the children and Willy used their candy ingenuity to devise clever traps. They wove gummy bear nets and spread sticky toffee pits to thwart Snipp's attempts. As Snipp approached the largest chocolate river, he stumbled right into their viscid trap. "You've been caught, Snipp. This moon's sweetness belongs to everyone," Willy stated with an authoritative twinkle. With the threat gone, Willy, Charlie, and their friends shared the moon's delightful bounty, knowing that they had protected its magic and fun for adventurers to come. As they all journeyed back to the bright blue earth, Willy's heart was full of gleeful tales and delicious dreams, ready to be made. And from that day onward, the Marshmallow Moon remained a wonderland of hope and adventure, a testament to the power of friendship and collaboration. Just like in Willy Wonka's world, whenever you bite into a candy, remember, there's always a bit of magic hidden inside.